No woman no cry. No woman no cry. Hey little darling, don't shed no tear. No woman no cry. Hello everybody, I'm Vasco from ukulelecheats.com and today I'll show you my take on No Woman No Cry. I'm receiving a few requests for this song every week, so the time has come. Here it is. This week is going to be a simple tutorial, but also I can do a fingerstyle tutorial. If you're interested in that, just let me know in the comments below. If there are enough comments saying yes, I want that, I'll do it. Alright, let's go. Oh no woman. Okay, so for the whole song we need just 4 chords. The chord of C, the chord of G, the chord of A minor. It's better to grab it with the middle finger, and the chord of F. After A minor you just put the pointing finger on the first fret right here. Alright, so in the song we have just 2 parts. They're pretty simple, but they have one specific thing that you need to pay attention to. Alright, so let's start with the verse, which is pretty much just C to G to A minor to F, and you just keep on repeating that. Said I remember when we used to sit in the government yard in Trench Town. Alright, so in this part the specific thing is that the F is coming a little bit earlier. So if you count the chords, it's something like 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4, and you keep on repeating this 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4, and the strumming I'm doing here is something like down down up down 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 up down 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 up. All right, let's try it slower. Down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up. Say I remember when we used to sit in a government yard in Trench Town. Overheard and the hypocrite mingle with the good people with me. So basically just the F is a little bit longer and the A minor is a little bit shorter. And before that, actually the intro and the chorus is this same part, but also we add something at the end of it. So it's no woman no cry, no woman no cry. Alright, so we're adding C to F to C to G. Alright, but here the second C comes a little bit earlier. So if you count it, it's 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. Alright, so no woman no cry, no woman no cry. Hey little darling, don't shed no tears. No woman no cry. And also a few little details that you can add, and I think they are worth it, is in the very beginning of the song, before starting the intro, you can do this while holding the G chord. Alright, what I'm doing is playing the G chord, only the upper 3 strings, and then I release the A string, open, and then put the middle finger back on the 2nd fret, and then E string. Alright, so, and you start no woman no cry. And here on woman I'm doing G and also adding the pinky on the 3rd fret of the A string, releasing it and going to A minor. No woman no cry. And here on the F you can do E string, open a E string, and then C string 2nd fret, and go to C chord. Alright, so no shed no tears, no woman, no cry. Okay, so that was my simple ukulele tutorial for No Woman No Cry by Bob Marley. Let me know if you're interested in a fingerstyle version, because if there is enough comments below, I'll do it. And yeah, that's it. See you. Bye.